In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you could make $10 every single day using your phone, and the method I'm going to be sharing with you right here is going to be available worldwide. So it does not matter where you are in the world, this method is going to work for you. So I'm going to be making $10, which is equal to 10,000 naira in my currency, that's in naira right now. So this video is going to be a step-by-step literally walking you through how you could literally make money using your phone. But before I literally dive into the video, let me quickly show you something real quick. So if I come over to my banking app right here, you're gonna notice that I have zero balance right here. This is 0 naira. You guys could see right here. Let me quickly show you that. Let me pull up that real quick. You see right here I have 0 naira real quick. So you're gonna be watching me making this 10,000 naira, which is equals to $10 right here. You're gonna be seeing me making this money live because I'm recording this video live. I'm gonna be walking you through everything you need to do in detail, step by step, so you could also make the same amount of money for yourself. But if you know you haven't joined the family here, I would advise you consider to hit that subscribe button right here and give the video a like. And by the way, if in case you still have any question you'd like to ask me, feel free to go to the comment section right here and I'm going to be answering all your questions. So what we're going to be doing right here to make this money right here is that we're going to be selling ebooks. So don't just click off the video because you heard me mention ebooks, because I know your mind, you guys may be thinking, okay, I don't know how to write an ebook, so how am I going to go about this? Don't worry, I got you covered, because I'm going to be walking through step by step every single thing you need to do in detail. Like I said earlier, like I promised you earlier, you're going to be watching me making this money right here in this video. So the first thing we're going to be doing right here is to get our ebook ready, because that is the most important thing right here in this video. And how can we get this ebook? Like I said, I'm going to be walking through step by step. So the first thing you need to do right here is to head over to your Chrome browser right here. So once you're on your Chrome browser right here, all you need to do right here is to type in free PLR download. It's called free PLR download. So once you put that on your browser right here, it's going to be the first website you're going to be seeing right here on your Chrome browser. So just click on it and it's going to take you straight to the official website. And on this website right here, you're going to be seeing different kind of ebooks that you could literally download right here on your phone. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to be teaching you what we're going to be doing with these ebooks later in the video. So once you're on the website, basically all you need to do right here is to scroll down a little bit and go over to the category section right here. So once you're in their category section, you're going to see different kind of books right here that you could literally download from your phone. So these books could range from affiliate marketing, blogging, article writing, copywriting, email marketing, finance, entrepreneurship. So all you are going to be doing right here is to try to imagine the kind of book you know people will be willing to buy. So once you already figure out the kind of book you know people are going to be interested in, all you need to do right here is to download the book right here on your phone or on your laptop or whatever device you're going to be using right here to watch the video. So for the purpose of this video right here, I'm going to be going with the blogging niche. So I'm going to be downloading the blogging niche. I'm going to click on blogging right here. So it's going to bring out a lot of book right here related to the blogging category. So you could just go through this book right here and check the one you know you like right here. So I'm going to be going through this book right here and check the one I know I love right here. So let me quickly pick this one. I'm going to be assuming that you guys already downloaded this book on your phone. So right now we're going to be moving on to the next step, which is setting up our landing page. So a landing page is a kind of website whereby people will be able to pay for your book. So in order for you to set up a landing page right here, all you need to do right here is to head over to this website called seller.co. Just type in seller.co right here at the Google browser. So once you click on seller.co right here, it's going to take you straight to the official website. So if you don't know what this website is all about, this website is just like an e-commerce website where you'll be able to sell your digital product. So your digital product could be anything. It could be ebooks, it could be courses, it could be music, it could be ticket, it could be lotion, all anything, just name it. You'll be able to sell them right here on seller.co. So if you haven't created an account, it's free to create an account. All you need to do right here is to click on start selling with seller, or you could just head over to this menu option right here. So once you head over to the menu option right here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. So all you need to do right here is to just put in your email address, your phone number, then your name, then you're going to be done creating an account. So for me, I already have an account and I'm going to be logging into my account. So I'm going to be clicking on the login button right here. So once you're done creating an account right here, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So all you need to do right here is to click on this menu button right here at the left corner right here. So once you click on it right here, it's going to bring out all the sections right here on seller.co. So all you need to do right here is to head over to the product section right here at the corner right here. Then you're going to click on add product. I hope you guys could see that. You just click on add product. So once you click on add product right here, you will be able to host your book right here on seller.com. So all you need to do right here is to click on digital product, because that's what we are going to be selling right here. Like I said, I'm going to be walking through step by step how you'll be able to market your book and you'll be able to make a lot of money for yourself. So just click on next right here. So once you click on next, it's gonna bring up this page right here. So they're gonna ask you like to import an image of your book. So the image must be between 300 to 300 pixels. Like I said, I'm gonna be walking you through step by step. Then once you're done with that, then you're gonna be putting in your product name. So in order for you to create an image for your book, all you need to do right here is to head over to canva.com right here. So if you do not know how to use Canva, I'm gonna be leaving a link to a video that's gonna be walking you through how to use Canva. So Canva is just like a graphic design platform where you'll be able to create different kind of graphics. So right here, I'm gonna be creating an image for my book right here using canva.com. So just click on this plus section right here. So once you click on the plus section right here, you're gonna scroll down a little bit, then you're gonna come over to this customize size right here. So once you click on this customize size, you're gonna write 300 by 300 pixel, then you're gonna click on create design. So once you click on create design, it's gonna load up the page. So right here, you're gonna be selecting different kind of templates you would like to use. So you're gonna see a lot of templates. So I'm gonna be going for this template because I really love the design. So I'm gonna be customizing this template right here to suit what I want it for. So once you're done creating your design right here on Canva, this is how your design is gonna look like. So right now I'm gonna be downloading the design right here straight up to my phone. So I'm gonna click on the download button right here. And you can see right here the design is already downloaded, so let's just wait for it to complete its download. Then once we already download the design right here using Canva, so right now we're going to be heading over to seller.co to go upload our image. So all I just need to do right here is to just drag in the image I've just downloaded from Canva right here. I'm going to be dragging it. I'm going to be picking an image, then I'm going to be dragging it. Then they're going to ask you to put in your product name, that is the name of your book. So one thing I'm going to consider you do right here, once you are trying to put in your product book, I'm going to advise you go with an SEO title. So what I mean by an SEO title, so an SEO title is kind of a search based optimization, like a kind of keyword. So once people are searching for the book right here, your book will be able to rank right here on Google. So right here I'm going to be putting the name of the book right here on seller.co. Then once I'm done with that right here, I'm going to be putting in, that is my price, that is how much I want to sell my book. So I'm going to advise you go with the range of 1,000 naira to like 2,000 naira, which is like $1 to like $2 right here. So for me right here, I'm going to be going with 2,000 naira. So once you just put in the 2,000 naira, and one thing I love about seller.co is going to give you the equivalent amount in other different currencies, like in US, in pounds, in Canadian dollar and all of that. So once you're done with that right here, just scroll down a little bit right here. So you're going to be asked to write a quick description right here of your book. So right here I'm going to be putting that now. So once you're done writing the book description right here, all you need to do is to just scroll down a little bit and select the category. So you need to select the kind of category your book fall into. So if you are going with the health and fitness book, you could select health and fitness book. So if you're going with the wealth and finance, you could select wealth and finance. You could select business, marketing and sales. But for me right here, my book category is going to be falling into the wealth and finance. So I'm going to be clicking on wealth and finance. So I'm going to be selecting the subcategory, which is going to be personal finance. So I'm going to be selecting personal finance. Then once you're done with that, just scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down a little bit, this is where you'll be able to import the file you just downloaded from PLR downloads. So after you already imported the PDF file you downloaded from free prayer download, all you need to do right here is to click on create product. So once you click on create product right here, your product is going to be live right here on seller.co. And you're gonna see right here, this is how our book is gonna look like. It's gonna see the fee, that is the amount you're selling the book. Then what to do right here is to just copy the link right here to this book right here and save it into a notepad. So right here we're gonna move on to the step 3, which is our marketing part. This is where we're gonna be marketing right here. We're gonna be marketing our book to potential people that's gonna be buying these books, to be able to make some money for yourself. So there are different ways you could usually use to promote your book. So the number one method right here is to market this book to your friends, that is your WhatsApp friends or your Facebook friends or whatever. So you need to market this book to those people that know that you are interested, that's going to be interested in the kind of book you're selling. So for example, like for me right here, for the tutorial, I'm going with a blogging book right here. So I'm going to be selling to people that is interested in blogging. So if you are selling a book related to like fitness, like weight loss, how to cook and all that kind of stuff, all you need to do right here is to try to figure out people that might be interested in the book that you're selling. So the second way right here to market your book right here is by taking advantage of Facebook groups. So all you need to do right here is to head over to Facebook right here and type in the exact same keyword of your book. So for example, for me right here, I'm going to be typing in blogging because I'm going to be targeting bloggers. I'm going to be selling this book to bloggers. So all you need to do is right to type in whatever kind of book you're selling. If it's affiliate marketing book you're promoting, you could type in affiliate marketing book. So right here, I'm going to be clicking on blogging. So I'm going to be trying to join different kind of blogging groups right here on Facebook. So just join a couple of group right here. So once you're done with that, you're going to be messaging these people one after the other. And guys, I want you guys to keep this in mind. So once you're messaging these people one after the other, I'm going to advise you are very, very careful, because if Facebook see that you are literally sending a lot of DMs to as a lot of people right here on Facebook, your Facebook account might got banned. So that's why I say you should be careful. So you could just send at least 10 to like 20 messages on Facebook a day. You could try to make friends with these people. So once you try to make friends with these people right here, that's when you're going to be selling this ebook to them. So don't just send them like the link to your book immediately once you met them. So they're not going to buy from you because they do not literally trust you. So people are only going to buy from people they literally trust. So if you know you have funded the video up so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here and like the video. So like I said, you need to try to make some friends with them. You need to talk to them, you know, to get to know them. You need to make sure they are able to be your friends. So once they already trust you right here, then you're going to be recommending this book to them. You could be like, okay, oh, I have a book that could help you like make a lot of money using blogging and all of that. Just try to try to speak with them friendly, try to like type in some juicy things that could convince them to buy the book. So right here, our main purpose right here is to convince them to buy this book. So once they buy this book right here, we're going to be making a lot of sales. Like I said, we're going to be selling this book for just 2,000 naira, which is equal to $2. So we only need 5 people right here in order to make 10,000 naira. So guys, I just messaged a couple of people right here on Facebook and also on my WhatsApp contact right here. So we're going to be seeing how much I've made for today right here. So I'm going to be heading over to my banking app. So guys, before I literally showed you guys how much I've made right here in this video, I just want you guys to keep this in mind right here. So I actually 2 people right here came from Facebook group. So we were able to get like 2 people right here to buy my books right here using Facebook group, while the other people came through my WhatsApp contact. So that's the reason why I said you guys should start building up some fan base. You guys should start building up a kind of a group of people that are gonna be interested in whatever you're buying. So that is the reason you need to start building up audience. So right now I'm going to be heading over to seller.com right here. So I'm going to be coming over to my sales right here. That is my sales page right here to see how much I've earned so far right here using the book that we're selling right now. And you guys could see right here, I've able to made 10 sales right here. Let me show you guys that real quick. You see right here, this is 10 sales right here, and we are able to generate 6,000 naira right here using this method right here. So I'm going to be heading over to my bank app because some people had to make some transfer. That is there some direct transfer right here into my bank account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how much it is. So you guys could see right here, I have a balance of 5,000 naira. If you notice earlier in the beginning of this video, it was 0 naira right here. You can see right here, let me pull that up for you guys. You can see right here, I have a balance of 5,000 naira. So the total amount I've made right here was 11,000 naira. So I made 6,000 naira using on the seller store right here. So I'm going to be withdrawing the money right here into my local bank account, and this 5,000 naira came from the direct deposit because some people decided to make a bank transfer right here into my account. So right here, I'm going to be reloading the screen right here to tell you this is not some screenshot or some whatever. So I'm going to be clicking on the reload button right here. You can see right here, it's done reloading and the money is still intact. So if you know you have found the video up so far, I'm going to advise you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. And also the most important thing right here is to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. And also if you know you have any question you'd like to ask me, feel free to go to the comment section right here and drop your comment. So right here, you could click on the video right here to also learn more ways or more method you could use to promote your book. And I'm going to see you guys in the